When I was 16, I found out that I was pregnant, and that definitely changed the course of my life. From that moment, I could either be a statistic or make the decision to figure out who I wanted to be in this world and start living my life by that. Before I had my daughter, I really wasn't sure if I was going to college, and it wasn't really a thing that I was addressing with intention. And after I had her, I knew that was ultimately what I needed to do. When I got accepted into the U of A, it was a dream that I always had and I never thought would actually be true. Like, you ever had those moments where you're just like, wow, this is happening? Meeting my first advisor, she to this day is still a huge support and mentor in my life, and that's what led me to my first internship abroad. I had the opportunity to go to Hong Kong to work for a startup IT firm. It was the first time where I really stepped outside of my comfort zone to see that the world is a lot bigger. My favorite activity at Eller was 100% being involved in the Eller African American Honorary. It just goes to show that what makes your experience at Eller is not only the work you do, but the people you're surrounded by. I never thought that I would be able to balance all those early mornings with my daughter and figuring out how is she getting to school, let alone how am I gonna finish this assignment. I wouldn't be where I am today without Eller. I wouldn't be in my career. Eller has really changed me in the sense that I have somewhere that I know where I belong. I am Quanisha Lindsey, MIS class of 2019, and my future is in my hands, and I'm ready to take it.